Of all of Australia's 140 marsupials, the kangaroos are the most iconic, their bounding strides summing up the very essence of the land. All male kangaroos box in their quest for dominance, blows, grapples, and kicks sounding out throughout the outback. Kangaroos are the largest of the macropods. Their inquisitive faces and curious nature are a fixture of almost every part of the country. Eastern and Western Grey Kangaroos can appear very similar, but Westerns are often browner in color and slightly smaller. Red Kangaroos are the largest of all.